Rams 2001. As with all our Rams equipment, the Rams 2001 Drive Cleat Notcher carries a standard 2-year warranty and is 100% American-made. This machine features oil-light bronze bushings and is equipped with hardened and ground die inserts. The Rams 2001 Drive Cleat Notcher is ideal for making clean notches for that professional finished look on your ductwork jobs. Now our operator will demonstrate the simple operation of notching blanks. The die block is spring-loaded for easy release. The dowel pins are adjusted to 2 1/8 inches for your standard drive cleat blanks. Note the smooth rolling action of the wheel, which pushes the die block with no resistance, giving a precision cut. By adjusting the dowel pins to 1 1/8 inches, you are now ready to notch a nice rounded edge for your hanger material. If you have